Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this AE-like watermark on CapCut PC. Add in your text, and I'm just going to type in watermark. And I'm also going to change the font here as well. Maybe to this one. Then I'm going to go to media and I'm going to find a green screen background. So just type in green screen here and just take like this one, for instance. Select these three lines, export still frame, and then export. Then I am going to place that here. Oh, actually, I forgot to add in shadow. Sorry, my bad. There we go. Okay, let's delete these. And I'm just going to add that here. I'm going to first, let's copy and paste this first. I'm going to go to cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout and I'm going to select chroma key. And I'm going to select the white background first. I'm going to adjust that shadow. And I'm going to just like scale it down and place it where I want the watermark to be, for instance like on this tree. And then here I'm going to mirror, actually no, I'm not going to mirror it. I'm going to adjust the video a little bit and I'm just going to adjust some brightness and some contrast, maybe make it a little bit more blue and whatnot. Then I'm going to select both, right click, create compound clip, and I'm just going to go to the mask section so that only this one gets displayed here. Go to cutout, go to chroma key, select the green bit here and adjust the strength and add in shadow. And you'll have your watermark there. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!